guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video we have a brand new toy that I'm going to review, and this is a toy my daughter has been playing for quite some time, and it's a swirl ball drop toy from Prime Deals. It's available on Amazon, and this is an amazing toy and a very good learning toy for toddlers, for them to understand how the ball rolls in motion and what happens, and action and consequence learning is something that they get to learn through this. So which is a very nice toy. I really liked it. This is a toy here. This is a monkey swirl ball drop toy, and it's made from a very high quality plastic, ABS plastic used here, so that it doesn't easily break due to rough handling by kids, and it is completely kid safe. And this is a puzzle toy that we get. Basically the kid needs to first stack this up. So you get 5 layers in it. So this is a base, then 5 different colored rings here, 4 different colored rings here, and then the head of the monkey that comes with it. So there are multiple ways a kid can enjoy. First is by stacking it up like a stacking toy. It can be played as a stacking toy. Then after stacking, you can play with the various balls that you get. Like you get 3 different bright colored balls right here. So there's a red one, there's a blue one, and the orange one here, and it has a rattle inside, which allows the kids to get attracted to it. So it is a rattle toy as well. So very simple concept here. You just need, the kid has to feed the monkey from here, and the ball will just roll down all the way to the bottom of the toy. That is the concept of the toy, which is very simple, and it helps the kids to learn about actions and consequences. Another thing that they can learn with this is the numbers. Basically, you can teach them 1, 2, 3 numbers with it. Also, it helps them with their gross motor skills of stacking the toy together. It also helps them with the hand and eye coordination, because they have to feed the monkey the ball, and which is also very good as an imaginative toy for them to play along with. So this is an amazing toy here from Prime Deal, the Swirl monkey ball drop toy. So, and it looks very cute as well. That has a cute monkey here with an open mouth through which the kid has to feed the ball. So it's very nicely packaged toy here. My daughter has been playing with it, and she has been extremely enjoying this toy. So she likes playing with this as a stacking ring kind of a thing, for stacking it up and then feeding the monkey the ball and watching the ball go down, swirling down all the way the complete ramp. So a very nice toy here, and I also use it to teach her numbers counting, 1, 2, 3 counting, 0, 1, 2, 3 counting with this toy, and it was very helpful. So you all can buy this toy for kids above the age of 2 years, and it's a good toy for them to start learning new things, numbers and stuff. Coming to the price of this product, price of the Prime Deals monkey ball drop swirl ball drop toy is rupees 649. It's available on Amazon, so you can buy it on Amazon for 649. I'll leave the link in the description below, so you can buy it from there. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.